Leisa, I knew from the first time that I met you, we had something special. The connection between us was so incredible that the hours of conversation we had flew by in what felt like only minutes. What amazes me is that in that moment, I never knew that those beautiful eyes I was staring into would later become my best friend, my soulmate, my one and only. I'll never let you forget how lucky I am to not only have you in my life, but care for me the way you do. You are such an amazing person. I cannot wait to call you my wife. I love you with all my heart.
Every time that I'm alone with you, we were sitting in a parked car, stealing kisses in the front yard. We got questions we should not ask, but how would you feel if I told you I loved you? It's just something that I want to do. I'll be taking my time, spending my life, falling deeper in love with you. So tell me that you love me too. In the summer, as the lilacs bloom, love flows deeper than a river. Every moment that I spend with you, we were sat upon our best friend's roof. I had both of my arms round you, watching the sunrise replace the moon. How would you feel if I told you I loved you? It's just something that I want to do. Taking my time, spending my life, falling deeper in love with you. So tell me that you love me too. We were sitting in a parked car, stealing kisses in the front yard. We got questions we should not ask. How would you feel if I told you I loved you? It's just something that I want to do. Taking my time, spending my life, falling deeper in love with you. So tell me that you love me